Namaskaram. Until a couple of months ago, we've been posting monthly updates on what we've been up to as an organization and what we're occupied with. And for the past couple of months, I've taken a break from it simply because I've been too busy working on something really important. And now in this video, I'd just like to share what it is that I've been working on. And I'd like to showcase some of what we've achieved in the past couple of months. And I'll also talk about what we have ahead in the coming months. So what you're looking at right now is the Shuddhi Vidya portal that's been launched at vidya.io. So this is publicly available now. You may not be able to register unless you're invited, because currently this is only open for anyone within the institutions that we are partnering with. So we have partnerships with about 8 schools, and the students and the teachers of these schools can get an account and log in and view the content here. So this is the homepage. This is publicly available. You can still go to vidya.io and have a look at the performance of these students. So you can see their name, the class they're in, and which school they're from, and you can click on their name and get to see what courses they're participating in and how much of it they've completed and what score they've obtained so far. So like this, you can see the profile of the particular student that you're looking at. This is the publicly available information. So this may not look like much at the moment, but there is a lot of scope for what this is. So this is basically a public portfolio for this particular student. They get to showcase on this profile. So right now we're looking at what courses they're taking and what their credentials in that course are. But very soon we're going to be allowing them to showcase what kind of projects they've done, what kind of work they've done through the things that they've learned. And there's going to be a lot of open-ended display of creativity that these students can exercise through such a platform. And they're able to freely, share this portfolio to anybody that they want to show it to. Maybe they want to get an internship, so they can just copy paste this link and send it to whoever they want to show it to. They can show it to their family, their friends. So in a way, this becomes a way for the student as an individual to express their identity through their academic work. So in a way, you can imagine this as a social media profile, except that it's for their academic pursuits and what they've been able to achieve through whatever it is that they're learning. So this is the homepage and whatever you're able to see here. And when you go to the dashboard, all the students have access to this stuff. So they'll get to see a list of announcements. So anybody who is a teacher or a principal or somebody with admin credentials to their institutions can come and post their announcements for the students to have a look at. So it's a way for the administrators and instructors to communicate with the students on this page. And here they get to see a list of their assignments. And if they get to click on any of these, they get to see a certain exercise with instructions, and they get to respond interactively. So for example, if you click on any of the option here and submit it, you get to see it updating the response. So now it's completely graded and gets to show the score here. So this is an interactive way for the students to participate in exercises that the instructors can give them. And they also get to see the courses in full display. So this course is divided into different sections, and each section contains certain number of chapters. And each chapter contains some instructions and material for them to have a look at. So this serves as a course content, and the exercises are a way for them to reinforce their learning of the course content. And so they can respond to these exercises interactively and submit it, and it will show up in the assignment section. And we also have groups. If you're a part of a class or a team, it'll show up here. Now this is the learners portal. So the students will get to see this part, but the admins get to see a lot more. So as an admin, I get to see how many members there are. So right now we have about 124 members who are registered and approved, and we have some school principals who are also using this portal to learn things. So it's not just the students of the school who are learning and participating in the course, and we have some class teachers who are responsible for conducting the course in their respective school, and we have about 6 different schools that are showing up here. And so this is the status of this portal at the moment, and you can see that this is in beta stage right now, which means that it's expected to have some bugs. So it's been a few weeks since we launched, and I have to say that it's been relatively smooth in terms of the operability and how smooth the experience has been. There's not been many bugs, and whenever there have been bugs reported, we have been able to fix it pretty quickly. So I would say this has been a huge successful launch. Now moving on to what's ahead. There's a whole bunch of things that I still need to work on to complete this portal. And I just want to quickly show you a bunch of things that I have planned for the upcoming couple of months. So I have a self-imposed deadline of 31st December 2021 at 11:59 p.m. where I just want to complete a whole bunch of tasks that would make this application more robust and more presentable and more appropriate as a fully stable production application. And I have a list of things to do for that. And besides this, I have another huge list of things that are nice to have. So these are things that I want to do for this application before I declare it fully complete. And I don't want to go into the details of each of these additional things, but I just want to quickly show you a screenshot in case you're interested in delving into the details. You can just read up what's on my screen right now. I'll be doing my best to share more frequent updates in the future, but for now, this is it. Thanks a lot for watching. If you wish to support our initiative, please consider donating or volunteering with us. The links to both are down below in the description. If you have any questions or suggestions, please post a comment on this video and I'll be sure to respond. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.